This is going to be one side of the pillow. Okay, here's the other part, the other side of the pillow.
We're gonna make a pillow from this. These two sheets are gonna be stuck together like this. Flip some parchment paper in between so that the center of this does not get stuck together.
And you don't have to sew it because remember, sublimate sheets have that adhesive on them to stick with fabric. So it's automatically gonna
Infuse?
stick, right. It's gonna infuse with the other sheet because it's fabric. And that's what it's looking for. We put the parchment paper in the middle because that's not fabric and it's not gonna adhere.
We're overhanging this and we're not gonna seal down here like a triple layer sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay. Slip the ruler and to separate the parchment paper, you can like see the thingamabobber slide in, slide around. And you're like probably thinking, are you gonna separate from the sheet? No, because this is just the top layer of the parchment paper. And
right.
It won't allow me any further than where it's actually stuck because the way the adhesive works. Look.
Now I get to stuff it. This would be so nice in the crib with the baby.